If you don't want to be on camera, but you still want an online income, today I'm going to show you a simple system to make money selling digital Notion templates. No face on screen, no fancy software, and no experience required. You can start with $0, and I'll walk you through how to pick a profitable niche, build a useful template fast, and get your first sales on marketplaces people already trust. Let's start with what this is. Notion is a free productivity app, and millions of people use it to manage goals, budgets, habits, workouts, projects, and small businesses. A Notion template is just a pre-built workspace that solves a specific problem. Buyers don't want to spend hours building a system from scratch. They're happy to pay $10 to $30 for something well-organized that they can duplicate with one click. That's where you come in. First, choose a niche with a clear outcome. Think content calendar for YouTube Shorts, wedding planning dashboard, college semester planner, fitness coach client tracker, or small business finance hub. The trick is to focus on one audience and one result. If you're stuck, look at Etsy, Gumroad, or Notion's own template gallery and check what's already selling. Type Notion Planner or Notion Budget on Etsy and notice how many sales a listing has. When you see repeat sales and recent reviews, you found demand. Next, build the first version quickly. Open Notion and create the skeleton, a home page with a clear headline that promises the result, a short how-to section, and linked databases that do the heavy lifting. For a YouTube content calendar, make a database with fields for title ideas, hook, status, due date, thumbnail notes, and a KPI area to log views after posting. Add a simple dashboard view that shows what's due this week and another view for brainstorming ideas. Keep it clean and obvious. If you're building a budget template, set up categories, income, recurring bills, and an overview page with monthly totals. Don't chase perfection. Your first version just needs to save the buyer time. Now add small touches that feel premium. Use Notion's icons and page covers so everything looks cohesive. Write short instructions in plain language right at the top, like duplicate this page, then connect the databases below. Include one example row in each database so buyers instantly see how it works. If automation helps, show how to set a reminder or create a filtered view for Due Today. These little details make your template feel valuable and reduce refund requests. Package it for sale without showing your face. You'll create 3 assets: a demo video, screenshots, and a short description. For the demo video, record your screen with a free recorder like OBS or Loom. Keep it under 90 seconds. Start with the outcome, then click through the key views and end by showing how the buyer duplicates the template. If you don't want your voice on it, use an AI voiceover from tools like 11 Labs or your audiobook reader, or keep it text on screen with captions. For screenshots, take clean images of the dashboard, a database view, and the instruction section. Use Canva to place them on a simple mockup with a bold title like Notion Content Calendar 2.0. The description should quickly explain who it's for, what it includes, and the result they'll get in the first week of using it. Choose your sales channels. If you want built-in bios, start with Etsy, because people already search there for Notion templates. Create a listing, upload your screenshots, paste your description, attach the template link using a PDF delivery file, and set a price between $9 and $24 for starters. On Gumroad, you'll create a product page and deliver a PDF with a duplicate link to your Notion template. On both platforms, use keywords people actually type. Notion Budget Template, Notion Content Calendar, YouTube Planner, Wedding Planning Notion, and College Planner. In your tags and title, match the exact phrases you saw in successful listings, while keeping your niche angle clear. Here's how you deliver the template safely. In Notion, click Share and make sure the page is set to anyone with the link can view. Copy the share link. Paste it into a one-page PDF that says, "Click here to duplicate your template," with a big button or hyperlink. Upload that PDF to Etsy or Gumroad as the digital file. When someone buys, they download the PDF, click the link, and duplicate your workspace into their Notion account. No customer support headache. No manual emails. Let's talk about driving those first sales. Search your niche on Reddit and join relevant subreddits like r/Notion, r/productivity, r/YouTube, or niche communities such as r/wedding planning or r/college. Share genuinely helpful tips and, when appropriate, mention you made a template that does exactly what people are asking for. On Pinterest, create 3 to 5 simple pins in Canva that show a clean mockup and a result-focused headline like Plan 30 YouTube Shorts in 60 minutes. Link the pin directly to your Etsy or Gumroad page. On YouTube, you can even create faceless tutorials like how I plan a month of YouTube Shorts in Notion, using only screen recordings and text overlays. One video can rank and send buyers to your template for months. Pricing and scaling is straightforward. Start lower to get traction, then raise prices as you collect reviews. The fastest way to scale is to build a small ecosystem of related templates. If your first hit is a content calendar, add a video script builder, a thumbnail shot list planner, and a brand sponsorship tracker. Bundle them at a discount and you'll raise your average order value without extra work. Offer a free mini template, like a simple idea tracker, in your video description or Pinterest pin. In that free file, include a link back to your paid products. Free value turns cold viewers into warm buyers. Expect common questions and head them off in your listing. Tell buyers they need a free Notion account. Explain how to duplicate the template, and state that the purchase is for personal use only. Include a short troubleshooting line, like, if you click the link and don't see duplicate, you may be viewing a subpage. Click the template's main title at the top. Psst. Here's your action plan for the next hour. Pick a niche that you either know or can research quickly. Open Notion and build the basic version in 30 to 40 minutes. Record a 90-second screen demo that shows the outcome first. Create 3 clean screenshots in Canva. Post the product on Etsy or Gumroad with keyword-rich titles and tags. Share one helpful tip post on Reddit or Pinterest with a link to your listing. It's simple, repeatable. And you never have to be on camera. If this helped, save this video so you can come back to the steps and tell me in the comments which template you want me to build next. Tomorrow, I'll break down another faceless income method. And if you take action today, you could have your first digital product live before tonight.